In a California DUI under Vehicle Code 23152, A, the prosecution has to prove you drove and that you were under the influence while driving. That does not mean an officer had to watch the car move. If police found you parked, asleep, or standing outside the car, the driving issue is still alive, but it is usually argued through other evidence. When nobody directly saw you driving, officers often build the driving part from the scene. They may look at a warm engine where the car was found, crash damage, skid marks, keys, or a 911 call. Those details can matter, but they also need to be checked against each other, because small gaps can change the picture. A civilian witness can be important if they say they saw your car moving minutes earlier. The question is how reliable that witness is. Did they stay at the scene? Can they identify the driver, and does their story match the physical evidence? A witness statement is not just accepted in a vacuum. Many no-witness DUI cases turn on what the driver said. A statement like, "I just pulled in," or "I was driving home," may be used to supply part of the driving proof. Miranda warnings do not apply to every roadside question, so the timing and setting of the conversation matter. California also has a rule called corpus delicti, which means a conviction generally cannot rest only on your own out-of-court admission without some independent evidence that a crime occurred. The DMV hearing is not the same as the criminal court case. The officer's DS-367 form, the sworn DMV paperwork from the arrest, can carry weight there, and the rules are more relaxed. Driving is still an issue, but the DMV uses a lower standard than a criminal jury. That is why the DMV track and the court track both need attention. If nobody saw you drive, do not assume the answer is obvious, because the details in the reports, calls, witnesses, and scene evidence matter. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at dui.guru.